Today we take theorem number 2. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angles is equal. Okay, if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, so these two parallel lines, and if transversal intersect, then each pair of alternate interior angles is equal. So to prove this theorem, we use one axiom here, and what this axiom is called as corresponding angles axiom. Corresponding angles axiom. So what is corresponding angles axiom? Suppose line AB is parallel to line CD. Okay, and this MN transversal intersect these two parallel lines at Z and W. Okay, then the angles one side of transversals and above the lines are below the lines are called as corresponding angles. So this angle, these two angles are one side of this transversal and above the lines are called as corresponding angles. Again, these two angles are corresponding, this and this angle corresponding, this and this angle corresponding. So here, when two lines are parallel and transversal intersect these two parallel lines, then these corresponding angles are equal. Okay, these three corresponding angles are equal. So this is one pair of corresponding angle, this is second pair of corresponding angle, then this is third pair of corresponding angle, and this is fourth pair of corresponding angle. So all these corresponding angles are equal. So it means this angle and this angle equal, this and this angle equal, this angle and this angle equal, this and this angle equal. It is called corresponding angle axiom. Okay, so we use this axiom to prove this theorem. So see here, so given, what is given? AB parallel to C. Okay, so if here this line AB and another line CD are parallel to each other. Okay, and here is transversal intersect these two lines. These two lines. Okay, so suppose here is transversal like this. So this is here. Okay. OP, which intersect AB and CD. So we have to prove here. What we have to prove? The each pair of alternate interior angle is equal. So what is the interior angle? When transversal intersect these two parallel lines, we make Z, सीधा Z और उल्टा Z. वो देखना है आपको. So see here, Z कहाँ बन रहा है? So these two angles are alternate interior angles. Again, there is one also Z is there. This Z. So these two angles are also interior angles. So we have to show that these two angles are equal and these two angles are equal. Okay. So we have to show here first. AOP, angle AOP is equal to angle OPD, and second pair is angle BOP is equal to angle OPC. Okay, how to show these two pairs are equal. Okay, so here no construction. So we start proof. So to prove this theorem, we use here corresponding axiom, corresponding angle axiom. So here, when two lines are parallel and transversal is there, then corresponding angles are equal. Okay. So what is the proof here? See. So proof. So we use here corresponding angle axiom. So here these two angles are corresponding angles. This angle, okay, and this angle are corresponding angles because these two lines are parallel and it is intersecting. So this angle and this angle are equal because they are corresponding angles. So angle, see here. So angle which MOA is equal to which angle? OPC. OPC. So this is our first equation. Write the reason here. Corresponding angles are equal. Okay. So this is our first equation, that is angle MOA. MOA equal to angle OPC. These two angles are corresponding angles. Now again you see that these two angles, these two angles are vertically opposite angles because this line and this line intersecting each other. So these two angles are vertically opposite, and if they are vertically opposite, means they are equal. Okay, so this angle is equal to this angle. So here angle MOA is equal to which angle? Angle BOP. Angle BOP. Why? Vertically opposite angles. Okay. So this is our second equation. So this is our first equation. This is our second equation. So see both equation. Here angle MOA. Here also angle MOA. Means this angle same. So angle. Therefore from 1 and 2, what will we get? Angle OPC is equal to angle BOP because angle OPC equal to angle MOA or angle MOA equal to angle BOP, means angle OPC is equal to angle BOP. Hence good, because angle OPC, see here, OPC, this angle equal to which angle? Angle BOP, this angle. And these angles are alternate interior angles. So these two alternate interior angles are equal. Okay. Similarly, we can prove. Next pair. What is the next pair? Angle AOP is equal to angle OPD. Okay. Same way. Use here. These two pairs are equal. So use this corresponding angle. This angle and this angle are equal because these are corresponding angles. And then this angle and this angle vertically opposite angles. So this angle equal to this angle equal to this. So this corresponding alternate interior angles are equal. Okay. So similarly we can prove angle AOP is equal to angle OPD. So this is our theorem. Hence proved. Okay. Now we see one problem. Find x and y and show that AB parallel CD. So what is the figure here? See, suppose this is line AB, CD, X, M, N Y. So this angle is X, it is given. Okay, this is given 50 degree. Then this angle is Y, it is given 130 degree. Okay, so in this problem we have to find value of X and value of Y. And it is given this angle is 50 degree and this angle is 130 degree. Okay, see here. First, this is straight line and this is ray. Okay, so these two angles are adjacent to each other. So we know the linear pair axiom. When two angles are adjacent to each other, stand out a straight line, their sum is 180. So it means angle X plus angle 50 degree, angle XMA is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Linear pair axiom. Okay, so we get here angle XMA is equal to, see here 50 degree, it is given. Okay, just put this value in this. Angle X is equal to 180 minus 50. Here 50, other number 180 minus 50. So angle X is equal to, we get angle 130 degree. Okay, so we get value of X is 130 degree. Now, in case of Y, see here it is given 130. So this angle and this angle, these two lines are intersecting each other. It means these two angles are vertically opposite angles. So angle, which angles? Angle MND is equal to CNY. Are equal. Why? Because vertically opposite angles. So here angle MND is equal to, what is CNY? CNY is given at 130 degree. So it is 130 degree. So it means angle Y is 130 degree. Okay, so this is also 130 degree. Now see, this angle is 130 and this angle is also 130 degree. Okay, so we know the axiom, that is, if two lines are parallel and transversal intersect these two lines, then if these angles are called alternate interior angles. So when these two lines are parallel, then these two angles are equal. Again, these two angles are equal because they are also interior angles. And its reverse axiom is that if a transversal intersect two lines and alternate angles are equal, if this angle equal to this angle or this angle equal to this angle, then these two lines are parallel. Then these two lines are parallel. Means if corresponding angles are equal, then these two lines are parallel. So here we get this angle and this angle, that is 130 degree, 130 degree. It means these two angles are equal. It means AB parallel to CD. So therefore, right here, therefore AB parallel CD has alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, so this is the problem and its solution. Okay, thank you.